In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add safe margins for TikTok in Canva. If you've ever had captions or buttons cover your text on TikTok, safe margins are your best friend. They give you a visual buffer so important elements don't get hidden by the app's interface on different screens. We're working on a vertical design here, the common 1080 by 1920 format, and we'll set up simple guides to keep everything readable and clean. Start by opening your vertical design in Canva. Once your project is on screen, go to the File menu at the top and turn on Show Rulers and Guides. The moment you enable this, you'll see rulers appear along the top and the left side of your canvas. These rulers let you pull out guides, thin lines that don't export, so you can frame a safe working area. Move your cursor over the left ruler. Click and drag inward to pull out a vertical guide. As you drag, watch for the pixel indicator that appears. It helps you place the guide precisely. Drop this guide about 250 pixels from the left edge. This creates a cushion so nothing critical hugs the side where interface elements or cropping could intrude. Now do the same for the right side. From the left ruler again, drag another vertical guide toward the right edge and place it around 250 pixels from the right. You'll now have a centered vertical zone where your text, logos, and key visuals can live safely. If you keep both guides at the same distance, your design stays balanced. Next, set the top boundary. Go to the top ruler, click, and drag a horizontal guide down to about 250 pixels from the top edge. This helps you avoid the very top area where some device overlays can clip content and gives your visuals a little breathing room. Finally, create your bottom boundary. From the top ruler, drag another horizontal guide and position it roughly 400 pixels up from the bottom. This larger bottom margin accounts for TikTok's caption area and the action buttons that sit along the lower part of the screen. Keeping essential text above this line greatly reduces the chance of overlap. With these four guides in place, left and right at about 250 pixels, top at about 250 pixels, and bottom at about 400 pixels, you've defined a clear safe zone. As you design, aim to keep headlines, logos, faces, and calls to action inside this rectangle. Backgrounds, textures, and non-essential graphics can extend beyond it for a full bleed look. Guides won't show up in your final download, and elements will naturally snap to them, making alignment quick and reliable. This simple setup helps your TikTok posts look polished and consistent across devices.